Assalamu alaikum students. We've been discussing about heredity, which means that babies inherit some characteristics, some features of their body, their voices, their looks from their parents. Now we discussed about animals, that animal babies look like their parents. We discussed about a bird that makes a very complicated type of nest, and when its babies grow up, they make exactly the same kind of nest. No one teaches them how to make such a nest. So how they learn it? Well, it comes in their heredity. They inherit that skill from their parents. Same thing goes with the plants. So for example, take a vine, grapevine or a money plant. When a new baby grapevine or money plant grows, they always behave like a vine, which means they climb on a rope. They never get a stem. They never have flowers, but they always grow on a string or on a wall. So let's read more about plants and how baby plants inherit features from their parents. Inheritance in plants. Plants are almost the same. The new plants sometimes don't look like their parents. If you notice a cucumber plant or tomato plant, you will notice that the baby plant doesn't look like a grown plant, but later on they do. But over time they look just like their parents. A baby orange tree does not look like its parents in the beginning. After a few years, it grows up to look just like them. Parent plants pass on their characters to their babies. These characters are called the inherited traits. Inherited traits. All the inherited traits of an orange tree are actually stored in its seed. The seed has all the information. Here are some of the inherited traits that parent plants pass on to their babies. So this is what parents transfer to their babies in a seed. Let's see. Leaf shape, growth rate, how fast these plants will grow. Poison or not, bark thickness, their bark, stem cover is called bark, bark thickness, bad or sweet taste, the taste of their leaves and flowers and fruits. Seed cover shape, how the seed is covered. Waxy leaf coating, what kind of coating is there on the leaves. Leaf drop, when the leaves drop, if they drop or not, what time of the year they drop, and flower shape and color. So the color of flowers, their shape, all this information, the new baby plant gets it from their parents and it is stored in the seed. Now why don't you go out and start investigating? Look for baby plants and the parent plants and see how baby plants of the same plant is different when they're baby, how they're different from their parent plant. Do this activity for at least 10 plants. Allah Hafiz.